Mustang here, unique, especially in classics. 2006 Saleen S281 Supercharged Coupe. Vista blue metallic. Charcoal interior, of course, the Supercharged 4.6 liter. Underneath the hood, that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. As you can see, sequence number 369 in the Saleen build. Nicely equipped, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. Vented hood. Check out the engine bay, interior pics underside at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on Continentals that appear they were put on in late 21 or early 22, according to the date code on there. So not a lot of miles or age on those tires. Saleen interior. Shaker 500 stereo system. Power driver's seat. Nicely equipped car riding on the chrome wagon wheels. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. A little over 12,500 miles is all on this car. Of course, the center dump exhaust. And take a look at the underside. Look at the mufflers on it. Just number one, how they shine. Number two, look at how clean everything is on the underside of this car. And the still picture is going to be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And as you can see, walking around this car slowly, that the Vista blue paint does show well. All right, now for the interior, take a look at the door panels. Of course, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, power seat in the driver's side, and also a lumbar support. Saleen embroidered seat covers. Steering wheel center cap with the Saleen logo. Let's take a look at the exact miles. And fire it up so you can hear it run. Neutral here. Alright, there's your exact miles. 12,544. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. It's just the seat belt light since I don't have it on. Shaker 500 stereo system. Take a look at the dash. And FYI, stereo working fine. And again, AC does blow cold. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Just have a nice little throaty exhaust note. Give you a sound to really appreciate when they're under throttle and going down the road. Always nice sounding car. Alright, let me slip up here. Let's pop this hood. Check out that engine bay and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Very good. This is a functioning heat extracted hood where the hot air would go in and come back out the top of the hood. Again, 4.6 liter V8 3-valve supercharged at 425, 135 horse. I believe it would have been in 06. And you can also see the Saleen dash or cowl tag right there, I should say. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see that, along with a copy of the window sticker, owner's manuals from Ford and from Saleen, All that will be with it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, all of that stuff. Nice specialty Mustang here, unique specialty in classics. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate, or you call in or email.